Just another Saturday morning, watching the world go by, thinking about the flow of things. Oh, check it. That today's a better day than yesterday. Yeah, I get it. That's a given anyway. It's common sense, just a simple basic truth. You see, no need to even say it out loud between you and me. 'Cause the clock ticks on a steady kind of pace. We get a little older, try to find our own space. Get stained and scarred, but through the hurt and strife, we just keep getting reborn. Yeah, that's the rhythm of this life. And the color of a loving heart, whatever shade it may be, just a gem of feelings, all it takes for the dawn to break. You see, that's all the light we really need, for the shadows to retreat. Just that simple, quiet kindness, a vibe that can't be beat. But we're living out these messy days. It's all that we can do, just to patch the seams together, hoping that we make it through. Yeah, this clumsy, ungraceful life is the only one we do, just me and you. So let's hold hands, yeah, and pull each other near, and let that quiet vibe just hang right in the air. Then feeling like, yeah, this is kinda nice right here. 'Cause I never thought that happiness was something you could find all at once. So when you take it, no, it's not the grand design. So let's just take the long way round and see what we can find. Getting all my hopes up just to watch 'em disappear. Still too scared to make a move, held back by all the fear. And the only thing that's left behind, year after year, are the real feelings in my heart that I should have held so dear. So let's hold hands, yeah, and pull each other near, and let that quiet vibe just hang right in the air. That feeling like, yeah, this is kinda nice right here. 'Cause I never thought that happiness was something you could find all at once. So when you take it, no, it's not the grand design. So let's just take the long way round and see what we can find. But today's a better day than yesterday. Yeah, I know that it's obvious anyway. Time just flows. We get a little older, get stained and scarred. We're reborn over